Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna do like a eyebrow routine or how to do my eyebrows or whatever you want to call it. At the end of the day, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and show y'all how I do them. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching. So I start off with the Precisely My Brow pencil by Benefits. I use shade 4. You could get it from Ulta and Sephora. I'm going to start off with the spoolie side. I got one side is the spoolie side and one side is the pencil side. Let me get my little mirror so I can see what I'm doing. But I'm going to start off with the spoolie side to brush my eyebrows. Okay, I brush them up. I roll the pencil up some. Just a little bit because I don't want the pencil to break. So I draw a line in short strokes underneath my eyebrow. And my eyebrows are thin. So, and I don't really have much of a tail either. So then I create a tail by dragging it down a little bit. And then I brush the eyebrow hairs down. Then I draw a line at the top. And then I just connect the ends. So then I just brush the hairs back up and put them in place. And now I take my pencil and just fill it in. Keep brushing them up and in place. Okay, so I filled them in for the most part. And now in the front, because I don't like boxy eyebrows. I mean, if you do, that's your business. I just personally don't like boxy eyebrows on me. So I fill this part in really lightly. Now you see how it's kind of boxy? I take my spoolie and brush it. She. I brush it up to diffuse it. I'm bringing my arch down some. Because this eyebrow always has a higher arch than this one. So I'm bringing it down. Now I'm going to do my other eyebrow off camera. And I'll be back to show you how to clean them up. Now I shaded both of my eyebrows. They look messy. And I'm going to clean them up with some concealer. I'm going to use NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in color Amande. And this is like my highlight color. But I'm going to use this. I'm going to put some concealer on a Morphe M432 brush. And it's a flat concealer brush. I'm just going to trace underneath. I outline my shape underneath. Then I'm going to wipe off the concealer that's on the brush on my hand. Because I don't want it light on my top of my eyebrow. So then I'm going to go on top and clean up. Then I just blend out the bottom. Now that that's cleaned up, I go back in with my pencils to fill in any places that I think need to be filled in darker, like right here. And go back over it. I'm gonna go do the eyebrow and I'll be right back when I finish this step. Okay, so now I'm back. I went filled in this eyebrow off camera. Now I'm about to blend them out a little bit more. Okay, so I'm done creating eyebrows for myself. I finished them off by using the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. And I just go over my brows, set them in place. Yeah, she's done. I know I look crazy, look like I got halo eyebrows right now. But I'm going to go finish doing the rest of my makeup. And then you can see the finished product when I come back. Once I add foundation and all of that. Because all of that at the top is going to be covered with foundation anyway. So I'll be back when I finish doing the rest of my makeup. So this is my final look. This is my eyebrows. This is how they ended up. I won't beat the rest of my face. I also recorded this look on another video. I don't know if that video is up already or it's coming up after this video. But it'll be up soon or now, whichever. So be on the lookout for it or go check it out. I hope that you like how my eyebrows turned out. So look, alright, you know what I mean? I do what I can. I do what I can. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Before you leave, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn the notification bell on so you can be notified every time that I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.